Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you are happy and doing great. So today's topic is all about the importance of Masjid al-Aqsa in Islam. As you know that Masjid al-Aqsa is a very important place of worship for all the Muslims, and we all have to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent lots of blessing upon Masjid al-Aqsa. So Masjid al-Aqsa mosque in Jerusalem is one of the holiest sites, and it is a symbol of faith, unity and divine connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The mosque was the second place of worship built in Islam 40 years after the Kaaba. The term Al-Aqsa Mosque is often used to refer to the entire plaza on which the mosque and the dome of the rock stand. So, you know that Masjid al-Aqsa is situated in Palestine, and Palestine holds a special place in the heart of Muslims around the world. It is a land that has been blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it is home to many prophet and scared sites, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends lots of prophet, lots of Anbiya Karam in Palestine, on the land of Palestine, and lots of scarce sites are built by Anbiya Kram over there. So uh, we all have to remember that we all have to protect Masjid al Aqsa and the land of Palestine. It's our duty in this tough time. Because it is a time of great hardship, and Palestinians are suffering from hardship, pain. So it's our duty. We'll have to remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we'll have to pray for them. We'll have to protect Masjid al Aqsa. So you know very well in Quran Pak, Masjid al Aqsa is mentioned many times over there. So today I want to discuss the verse of Holy Quran from Surah Al Isra. I'm reading here translation of Surah Al-Isra verse, which is talking about the Masjid al-Aqsa and the journey of Prophet Muhammad from Masjid al-Haram to Masjid al-Aqsa. The verse is describing here, it is talking about the surrounding of Masjid al-Aqsa, which is located in Jerusalem in Palestine. And the verse is describing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Prophet Muhammad from Masjid al Haram to Masjid al Aqsa. The translation of this verse is, exalted is who took his servant by night from Masjid al Haram to Masjid al Aqsa, whose surrounding we have blessed to show him our signs. Indeed, he is the hearing and the seeing. So this is the verse that highlights the importance of Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. It is a blessed and scarce site. The night journey of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Jerusalem explains the spiritual and historical importance of Palestine. It reminds us the divine connection and the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon this holy land. Al-Aqsa is not only a place of worship, but it is a symbol of Islamic heritage. Reflecting on the verse, we are reminded of our duty to protect this holy land, to protect Masjid al-Aqsa. So it's our duty, we'll have to take step forward to protect Masjid al-Aqsa. The city of Jerusalem, considered a holy city in Islam, Jerusalem is home to many sacred sites, including Masjid al-Aqsa. So it's our duty, we'll have to protect Jerusalem, the land of Palestine. You know, Palestinians are living there, but these days they are dying over there. So it's our duty, we'll have to protect them. Palestine is considered a blessed land in Islam, and its importance is emphasized in the Holy Quran and Hadith. So, by mentioning the surrounding of Masjid al Aqsa, the verse is emphasizing the significance of this holy land and the reminding of Muslim their responsibility to protect and prepare it. So, we'll have to preserve it. We'll have to protect Masjid al Aqsa and Palestine, the people of Palestine, because they are our brother, they are our siblings. So it's our duty. We'll have to come forward to protect them, to protect the holy land. I hope you got it, you understand it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.